Some of my friends said it was a professional suicide note. 20 years earlier, even from the public, I'd get some really hostile reactions. I'm so far along in my career now, I don't care. I'm just going to tell it like it is.
Today I have Dr. Robert Plomin, who's one of the foremost behavioral geneticists in the world. When you have questions about how genetics impact our psychology, our intelligence, Dr. Plomin is the person. I have your book here, Blueprints, How DNA Makes Us Who We Are. You must have seen that decades worth of sort of not just scientific progress, but ideological progress. People don't actually look at what the science says. They use science to push an already existing political ideology.
The headlines are different from the journalist you're talking to. So you can talk to a journalist and say, we're talking about genetic influence on spatial ability. What does the headline say? The gene for spatial ability.
There's many false dichotomies in genetics. The nature-nurture one, huge false dichotomy. Common diseases versus rare diseases, another false dichotomy, right?
The 99% of our DNA that's the same for all of us, that's what makes us human. But we're interested here in what makes us different. What runs in families is DNA. And the assumption that it's nurture, family environment, even as reasonable as the hypothesis is for body mass index, it's wrong. So then what is the environment if it's not this nurture? And the answer is